Smart space management is a major priority in this small log cabin, which was constructed utilizing a modular, compact dwelling idea. This is especially true for storing products and daily necessities. The design places a strong emphasis on useful storage options that mix in well with the living area, guaranteeing inhabitants clutter-free access to their possession. Every inch matters in such a small space. Therefore, cabinet placement and storage area layout must be carefully considered. Freedom of mobility is directly impacted by the quantity and location of storage. Therefore, it's critical to strike a balance between practicality and open space for everyday activities.